My name's Kendra, and I graduated from the Welding Techniques program in 2016. The project or activity that was the most memorable to me when I took the program was when they have you do a CWB, so for those who don't know, Canadian Welding Bureau ticket. But we do a mock-up version in Conestoga, putting the helmet down, getting into the booth, enjoying every moment of learning how to do that procedure, because I knew that at the end of class, you had a chance to actually do a CWB real test. But by then, all your nerves are already gone. You've done this a million times in class. You're confident in your welding ability, and you just work towards that goal. Yeah, you pass it with no problem and no fears, and that's something that you can take when you leave Conestoga, and it's good for out in the world. Since graduating in 2016, my professional journey has been really well. I have gone through working at a company that basically just had me do a 1-inch weld the entire time that I was there with them for a year. But that got me my chance to work for a company that I've been with for 8 years now. At the same time that I was learning all of their products, I was going through the apprenticeship program at Conestoga for welder fabricator. And it just pushed me further into this career. I also got the opportunity to take over for a program that Conestoga runs. It's called the Women Only Welding Program. And when I got that opportunity, I also got the opportunity to become a professor at Conestoga. So that was really cool. My advice to future students enrolling in this program would be to treat it like as if it was a job coming to class. Come to work early, so come to class early. Be prepared to work so you have all your PPE on. You're ready to ask questions when you're concerned. You're taking the time that is allotted for you to learn. Take every second of it, and you should do great out in the real world.